Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you work with PDF files, editing, converting, or managing documents, you know how frustrating it can be with the slow or expensive tools. So in this video, I'll show you a simple and lightweight solution called SwifDoo PDF and how to use it on your daily work. This is the official website of the SwifDoo PDF. So here you can see you can download it for Windows, for the Mac or any iPhone as well. And from this you can edit, convert, merge, view, compress, and many other features. The interface is simple and designed for both beginner and professionals. So now let's move to the practical area where we can edit and show what SwiftDo PDF can do. So here, let's download the PDF. So once you download, run the executable file, then you can start opening the PDF and finally you'll get a user guide as well so that you can learn everything. And here you can do everything like highlight, typewriter, converting in the home section. In the edit section, you can edit all the things. But before that, let's open one PDF and let's try to edit something so that we can see practically. So I just write Sabin, then we can save the file as well. And let's reopen the file again. See, finally the Sabin is there. And here you can buy from there. And the payment plan are like this. So just go through that. Here you can replace all the words as well. You can add an image just like this. So I'll just add a simple image over here just for the demonstration. Then you can put a link. You can crop the PDF as well. You can add, update a background with the compressed file as well. Then in the view section, you can do a word count just like I did now. And there are so many other options as well. Here you can put a stamp, sticker, and also we can see the pencil section as well so that you can write a text and you can convert the PDF to Word, Excel, PPT, the one you need. And in the page section, you can split, merge all the PDF files. And finally, we can put a digital signature as well as a signature as well. Let's create a new digital signature from here. And also you can put a signature. You can create it new and also you can put a watermark too. And this is your user details. Overall, SwiftDo PDF is a useful tool if you work regularly with the PDF files. If you want to try it, I have added a link in the description box on the below. And thanks to SwiftDo for providing access to their software. And finally, if you found the video helpful, then don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe my channel for more tech videos like this. And I will see you in the next one. Thank you.